Bruh.
I know it pulls way harder.
Well, it's holding good there now. It looked like it was hitting up around 26, 27 boosts there. Yep. Christmas trees, only different, right?
I'll probably change that. I don't know. I might change it. I want to go to Fire.
No, I'm still
You want to go to what?
Oh, that could be
And
it
then if I
too.
get it bigger, it'll be like. No, those are so cute.
How long? Like it's been what, 2 months now since you drove it?
Scale plane.
I literally drove it to store in October, and then I took it from storage to here and sat here.
And then you did your lawn around it.
And then I started like.
Sheesh. Alright, we better hear some fucking juice there. And all 4 tires skirt.
Watch out. Guess how much? What, girls? How much do you weigh? No, you don't.
Yeah, I dare say this would have to take off better than me now.
From a roll. Because if I was in the fucking Beamer, it would just spin. So you're not here just to
Yeah. Shimon, that's always something very important to do with these beasts. If you do a pull like that, keep driving for a minute or two. Oh, that double sounds nice, man. I can't wait. Smash that cat. Well, I'll see what's left of the cat in there when we take the pipe off today. But I can't wait to smash that cat out and get some fireball. Well, it's holding good there now. It looked like it was hitting up around 26, 27 boosts there. Yep. See, I couldn't go back from the X series now. Every time I get in the car, I clear the peak so I can see what I did on that drive if I was driving like a
I've seen it around. You got them. You got similar wheels like the Evo.
Yeah. I blew up the turbo on it recently.
Oh my god, that's the worst.
Ordered a new one.
Then you have to drive around in other people's car to meet some shit.
Yeah.
It's
or drive
annoying.
my dad's extra car that he has, which I'm fucking lucky for.
Yeah?
To be taking the bus to work.
Yeah, that's. You know, and I sprayed the front lip and that front grille because it was fading.
I like the bus too.
Yeah,
That's really nice.
them guys are back.
Yeah, no, that car is ridiculous. Three-wheeling.
Sheesh.
Got a wide footprint. Pulls way harder.
Yeah, Brett, you're gonna have to take back another 10, 15 feet. You don't want, oh, I see that grass growing underneath it, touching the bottom.
Chevron, what do you think? Mad. You know what? From out there, some of you, I'd be a gunshot me here. What? What? Blah, 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 blah. Man, single exhaust and sound better to me.
Oh,
Sheesh. Oh my god.
fucking beautiful, man. Yeah, I seen it there. We rolled in Friday night just as everybody was rolling out.
Yeah.
I taking a look for you there, but didn't see us. Seen the video posted, and they did 2 or 3 takes coming by us. It looked fucking good, man.
See, I don't know which pulls harder because that thing, it just spins when it pulls. Yeah, but if you did a roll, I feel like it's not quicker.
Fucking gold.
Barely.
Bud Light car. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. That's fucking gold, man. Hope you have a cozy under it. That's gold, brother.
Yeah.
Wonder.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there.
Didn't realize it was like a throttle body. I was just looking for the cable. I'm like, oh, there it is.
I'm not hearing it, man.
I didn't want to push the car. Kind of the first piece of mid-light. I'm gonna put this back in. It's just a small one.
This thing just looks fucking mean.
Trying to be too much of a perfectionist at 2 a.m. in the morning and fucking popped off with the fucking Dremel a couple of times and said, fuck it, I gotta fix it. Now anyway, I'll just finish it. And if I do it one more time, whatever. We're gonna take this pipe off.
Yeah.
And I think that fits. I didn't do any fitting tests, but it should just bolt right up and we just cut it say there and weld it.
Before we take off.
Yeah. So we go all the way back to here. There we go. I went a bit nuts in the spring.
See, this is loose.
Oh!
But that was a 24, wasn't it?
Same thing with mine yesterday.
Why you always look at this shit? Fucking whore. Oh, well, look at what dude did. He should have done this, not this. Oh, fucking
swap. Yeah,
That's a 21, I think.
No, I figured not. It's inadjustable.
Oh, cool. We'll have to lower it down maybe again before we put it back on. I just brought vibrant gaskets versus these don't have a fire ring or anything. So I just figured I'd bring better gaskets instead. I have some rim flex whenever we do the fronts.
Sheesh. Good eyes.
I do a little bit of metal exhaust or gasket exhaust stuff.
I think this one. No, this was this one.
This
one too. Wait.
Yeah, I will because fuck, I didn't go get the hanger.
Hey, look at this one.
Oh.
That one seems like it's off. It's just butted up against this nut.
Yeah, they just did this one side. They didn't fucking adjust it to the middle like they should have. That's why you do go to Atlantic Acura. Don't go to fucking Scotia Tire.
Oh, that's where you went?
That's why I do mine. I had to come back and tell the buddy that this was the camber adjustment. He's like, no, that's the toe. Yeah, I got it. He was going off a Lancer. And on the Lancer, that's where their toe arm is.
Oh.
And I'm like, dude, that's a camber arm and that's a toe arm. And he's like, no, the computer says. And I'm like, I just put adjustable camber arms and adjustable toe arms on it 2 days ago. Pretty sure.
You know what you're talking about.
Not that I'm an expert, but the parts I ordered had the right names on them.